Okay, here I have for you is a very easy DIY project. And what I have is a 9 volts battery to power this breadboard that has a um, negative, which is the black wire, to this breadboard, this blue line, this red column. So any holes in this blue line, blue column, have negative power. And then this is the positive power. Again, so any holes in here, if you plug the wire, insert the wire into here, you're going to get positive power. So what I have here is a resistor. It's a 200 ohms resistor to go from this positive hole, to go from this positive hole here. Okay, I think you can see it. The positive hole there to this positive to this positive row here, and this positive row will deliver the power to this red wire, and this red wire will connect from that row to here, and to deliver the positive power to this push button. And the push button here will pass the power from this leg to this leg here. That's plugged into the breadboard. Okay, this leg here. And this leg is passing the positive power from this pin, this wire, this red wire, to this red wire here. And this red wire is again passing this positive wire through this 200 ohm, another 200 ohm resistor to the positive, or the last row here, to give to the LED light positive terminal, the longer leg. And the shorter leg is actually plugged into this next hole, which connects to this negative wire, and then this negative wire connects back to the battery negative power, which is this blue line. So this black wire can be inserted into any of these holes. And you can see here, if I push the button here, then I'm going to be able to power on the LED light. See that? And I let go the push button, then the LED light went off. See that? So this is the simple project. Now a lot of variation can be done on this. You can because the resistor is bidirectional, meaning you can have this resistor leg inserted to, switch this leg versus and with that leg to get the resistor. It will still the power will still flow from positive to negative. Okay, so the resistor is bidirectional. Same thing with this push button. If I switch the two legs, this leg and this leg, it will still work. Okay, I bent this leg up and this leg up, so I can push this this leg and this leg into the breadboard and have the connection that way. And then as you can see, this leg is passed the power to here, and then another resistor to here to the LED light. So this resistor is to restrict the current to go into the LED. And this resistor is preventing the huge current shock to go into the push button here and destroy the push button component. because I have one component which is the push button switch, the other is the LED light. So I want to protect these two electronic components. That's why I have two resistors. Okay, so it's a very simple project. You can see it's very easy. That's all there is. Oh yeah, so next I want to do is I want to have this connect to a Raspberry Pi 3B board. So this way I can do some programming to control this push button and control this LED light to display or not to display, you know. So I can also control this to an outboard motor and then do a lot more with this switch. So basically that's all there is for this, so stay tuned.